Okay, now that I've kind of bored out my eye sockets, I have to actually put the eyes in there. So I'm just going to roll up miniature sized balls for the eyes, and I'm just going to set those. I'm going to do 2, and I'm not trying to draw out the eye or anything. I just want to get the eye in here, and then once I do that, I'm just going to kind of fill this in. And they look like glasses right now, but we're going to shape them out. I'm just using my fingers to do all this stuff, but I want to try and keep the shape of my eyebrows that I worked on earlier. So I filled this in, and then once I get these in there, then I can start to pull out the eyelid and the actual shape of the eye. So it's kind of like you dig it out and then you build it back up. I'm just going to get a little water right here so I don't start cracking. And I'm still keeping the shape of the nose, but we're not working on the nose right just yet. And so I've added the 2 pieces for the eyes. Okay, so it's starting to shape up to look like a face. And that's adding the clay for the eyes.